At EU people.
Oh.
Yeah, lead that
Alright,
node, bro.
That's a. Look graph, bro. Match. Come on, bro.
Dude.
It's
Take
normal.
picture
It's
of me
normal.
too, bro. Oh, see, they got pawned.
Wait, I got Moonlight. Moonlight no boots. Fling. Get fucked!
Purge him.
Stalker.
I have my
Wait,
E
you
if
don't
we
have
have
Purge?
more.
Oh my god.
I missed Purge. I'm sorry. But I spend Moonlight now.
Oh, I didn't.
Yeah,
Even,
Moonlight no rest. Moonlight no rest.
I didn't even do the healer feedback.
Stalker?
Womp womp.
I'm rolling for Moonlight.
Yeah.
There, dead.
Lucina. Okay.
Heal for a healer. Heal for a healer. That's their only win condition right now. Everything on Vita.
Using Cleric.
I'll go Cap North.
Go get Cap.
I'll Cap North.
Get off.
Yo, bad. I got some stuff for you. You
Moonlight's
ready?
still dead, we can touch.
Okay. So the first one is, make sure you're spamming your E off CD. Okay. Like you're like holding it for a while. Sometimes. Also, regarding counting down your reset, what you're supposed to do is tell your teammates when your reset, like now, for example, has 3 seconds left on it. You say like, you know, however many seconds your reset has left on it. Not necessarily just like get your reset and then like count it down arbitrarily. Does that make sense?
Yo, if you want a 5v5v5, click the fucking green check mark. I'm not counting to see who fucking hit both. Or one.
I bet you have reset.
10 plus 1 plus 1, 2 hard.
Okay, except some people are clicking both through, you know what I mean?
How do you do a 4-way?
We don't. We just round robin 4 teams.
Wow. But yeah, bad. You're really supposed to just like E off CD or as close as you can. That like makes sense, right? Like
I
maybe
need
just like
love.
hop straight into a tenacity hood.
Where's my
or something like that.
teams?
They all dead. Enjoy.
They're all live.
You call
clearly.
the
West.
cooldown, and then your teammates react to that. Hopefully, right?
We should interrupt the West.
Oh my god, I'm trolling. I'm sorry, Graf.
Okay.
I make a little bit of
no.
trolling.
Oh no.
I hit
Moonlight.
Moonlight.
Moonlight can die. I purge him. I bring him back.
Moonlight
Okay.
no pawn. He res there.
I'm trying to get to this bitch, bro.
His res over.
I stand
Wanna
you.
fling? Wait, what the fuck? I can't fling him.
Look at Vita.
Touching West.
Okay, fling.
Reset 4.
Moonlight. Stunned.
I guess we're just letting
Stalker,
that
Stalker.
chill.
Oh,
Moonlight
it's
dies.
not
I slow him now.
Stalker.
Do it.
Okay.
Deadpool's coming back low with no red spot. I'm touching
Nice,
West.
we got him. We got him. Look at Vita. No purge. Oh.
They're literally-
stunned because of
There's
the
3 right now.
Also, by the way, bad. Maybe it's just like a personal thing of mine. Like, I don't like it when people do like 3, 2, 1. Like, just fucking say 3, and like, you know,
Preferably
yeah.
5.
yeah, 5 is best. Like, just say 5, and it's like,
Preferably 15.
Graf trolling.
But you know that with the green stuff.
but like just say 5, because like if you're playing with like better teammates or like people who are like playing more seriously, you know what I mean, than like a real team, it's like there should be like a lot of other things being called. It's like you like spamming the comms with like 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It kind of like blows up your comms. You know what I mean?
For sure.
Hit bit.
Shred this him.
You did some trolling.
Just looking Moonlight.
I'm
Moonlight
trolling.
coming back. Moonlight in the wall. Moonlight no boots.
Like, in theory, your fucking like tank
He's
should be
down.
like done in 5.
Moonlight no
Like, should
boots,
be, like,
boys.
flicking 5, that kind of thing too.
Stun in 3 on Moonlight. 3, 2, 1. Moonlight now.
I have
Got him.
5 for flinging. Yeah, we can actually
Yeah,
kill
like
one.
that.
Need
Yeah.
it. You
Purge him,
dreamed
purge him.
away.
Yeah, Q. Oh fuck. It's fine. He still dies.
You said 5?
They got sent away.
I fling one. Q.
Stun in 2. Stun in
He-
1.
he
Stun
rests.
now.
I got buffed.
I
up
Stalker.
again.
He's dead.
Yo, who the fuck
Hey,
drafted
Luna.
these teams though? I gotta know.
The captain.
I think Bad did, and the other. I don't know
Lucina
who
and
their
Bad
leader
Bats.
was.
Yeah.
Who their leader was.
Someone touch West?
Well, you know,
I'll
actually, I
push
say that, but like
East.
you're losing somehow.
East,
Yeah.
you're right.
Yeah, I don't
Block!
know at the moment.
Oh god.
Harpoon missed. Nice. we
Reset
got it.
5.
We can migrate to mid. If
Yo,
we want.
bad. Where are these comms at, man? You're making me do it.
Thanks, Barrington.
If you could just keep doing that, Ren, that'd be great.
I don't know if you guys.
Okay,
Yeah.
go recap, Bandit. West.
Okay,
Okay,
listen. I have the secret tech,
boys.
bro. I have
North
a
boys,
6
north.
player
Elite,
counting the rest.
We're recapping north. Take north.
Oh,
Give up
dude,
east.
that's
Give up
right.
east.
What
Give up
the
east,
hell?
boys.
Yeah.
Give up. What are you
Oh
doing?
my
What are you
God.
doing? What are you doing? What are you fighting? What are you fighting? Everyone go
They
north.
ain't going,
I mean, Elite, if people actually like cared about this game, like that'd be like super meta. I think like just have like somebody like sitting there with like a bunch of stopwatches kind of thing.
Yes.
I'm going
Like
north.
somebody like deciding your macro for you, who's just like sitting there watching.
Yeah, would
Yeah,
be.
it would actually be really helpful.
Top. Come.
Like your entire
live
team like
coach.
streams in the Discord. They just have like everything up there. Like someone who's like role playing as a stockbroker.
You
like,
can
before streams.
multi-watch too. Huge harpoon. What a fucking gamer.
Nice.
Yo, GTA 5 had an update.
I can get someone to at least watch the rest.
Yeah, they're gonna.
7-5. I see 5. 7-5.
Oh, I just used cleric when I shouldn't have.
I'm still
Sending
waiting
the
for
backline
people
here?
to start like time stamping enemy res pods.
King Moonlight. Moonlight no
we'll
boots.
see that
Ah,
day.
fuck chest.
Uh oh.
Reset. Thank you. Tell me if you have
Uh-oh.
a graveyard so I can stay in the Judy man.
Bad press R. I said press R.
I'm hitting Vita here.
Vita, come back.
Man
Yeah.
in the back.
Vita, hard
Stalker,
dread.
Vita.
I purge
Vita's
him.
on
I
our
purge him. I
healer.
purge him. Vita can die.
Nice.
Vita can die. Vita can die. Good.
Who's that?
Not worth it. Or I mean,
Uh.
Womp womp.
Oh god.
Ooh, yikes. Elite, you kill me.
You
Fucking
should
elite,
wait
bro.
bomber, y'all know I don't know what boom. Stacey Dash.
Being chilling. So shy on.
no urban
Southwest?
lingo in
Southwest?
here saying.
Yeah.
Hold the caps.
I need
boys.
some
Hold the
help.
caps.
I'm fucking dying.
Hold the caps. I'm gonna go
I
rat.
got-
Fuck this shit.
Oh, look at these emojis. 5v5 and 5v5s are cancelled.
Hold the caps. Hold the caps.
I have something. GG something. GG. Okay,
do you
nice.
see 5? Do you see 5? Yes or no?
I'm diving for
Four.
Moonlight with you, crap. Let's
Yeah,
go.
man.
Push hard onto them.
What the
They're
fuck?
taking top. They're taking top. They're taking top. No one wanted to hold that?
We can't
Okay, I
cancel. We
take
can't
east.
cancel.
I take east. I
Luna
take
low as
east.
shit.
Push
Probably no
hard onto
food.
them now. I'm touching now.
Okay. They don't see it.
Good.
Pressuring
They
Vita
actually
out.
see it now.
Yeah,
Okay,
got
they
it.
hit no
Got
boots.
it.
They hit no
I
boots.
got it. I got
That
it.
guy has no cleric.
Look at Lasuna, no boots. I'm gonna stun him here. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Boys, boys.
3 screens away, bud.
Here he is. I bring him back.
Oh,
to you.
here he is.
It's Stalker.
I'm still on the
If he
Luna.
rolls, I have harpoon. Yeah.
I gotta back it out. I'm low.
Moonlight, no purity as well.
Okay, I send Moonlight now.
I think I get it. I got it.
Nice. Good job. Good job. I purge Moonlight here.
Here as.
Oh yikes, man! I fucked up. I fucked up, dude. I'm sorry.
Oh my god. I think Moonlight maybe. No.
Yo.
can't.
Motherfuckers is W key the whole fucking game, bro. Like,
Kill Lazone.
Oh,
I hit the flag.
Oh, snatched.
to the tent.
Kite, my boys.
Bad,
on,
bad.
Reed.
Please help.
We need Jesus.
Oh god.
Jesus is here, boys. Oh my God, he's too late.
Okay, Jesus.
Careful graph. Careful
We're all
graph.
dead.
Wow.
Oh no, we lost.
Or they
Fuck.
just retard fucking positioning. Like they have one cap, we're chasing them to tent.
Yeah,
What?
that makes no sense. No sense.
You're running past like an RDPS and a healer to get an RDPS a screen further.
See if we can get
People.
West in 60.
Mana down.
Maybe.
Setting front.
Maybe.
They're only 4 here. Hard push, boys.
Yeah.
Under cloth. I slow their backline for you.
I can
Listen,
fling
yeah,
Moonlight. Okay, Moonlight no boots. I got Moonlight. I fling Moonlight.
Hey,
I
Moonlight.
have Moonlight.
Like that
He's
in
fucking
the
trolling.
purge.
Kill the Mexican.
Still pumping him. Still
Stalker?
pumping him. I'm pushed out.
Nothing.
It's now. It's now. I can get in there.
Bro.
Yo, I can get Moonlight. I got Moonlight. Let's go.
Pistol
Let's go.
res bot.
I purge
Double
him.
bow
I'm back on
me.
Moonlight. I'm back
Yes,
on
yes,
Moonlight
yes.
with fresh quiver.
Is
Nice.
that?
Peel for our healer. Peel for
I
our
have
fucking
20.
healer.
I'm stalker.
Oh, fuck me.
Yeah, I Stalker Vita.
I'm dead here.
Peter can
Res
die.
bot. How long for reset? Nice.
Basically, we have to send someone top right now.
I'm trying to
too
go
late
east.
already.
Lusuna's gonna stop me. Can you stop Lusuna?
I
Yes
don't
or no?
think so.
Okay, he's gonna stop me.
Can you get
Roll and
east?
touch if you
Nice.
can. No, it's over.
No, it's not. Maybe.
Definitely is over. It's 7 seconds to cap.
Yeah. Fuck.
Sad.
Let's see, mate.
Fuck.
Super sad.
Tell the team below us to react to the check mark because they might not know.